everyone, how are you guys doing? I'm completely sure you're fine and rocking as always. This is Sheetal Sapan Matre. Thank you so much for clicking on this video and I hope you enjoy the content. We are going to see how your week is going to be in detail. We're going to use angel cards, tarot cards. We are also going to use the Wheel of Fortune to see to get answers to your specific questions. Also, we are going to see each and every aspect of your week, whether it is your health, finances, love life, your career, so everything in detail. All right. So we have these three options. Option number one is this lovely rose quartz bracelet. Option number two is this black tourmaline wall hanging. Option number three is this orange candle. Alright, so these are your three options. You can select whatever you are drawn to, or you can have this kind of three tiles numbered 1, 2 and 3. You can also make this kind of tiles with paper chits and just ask dear God, Goddess, Archangels how the coming week or how this week is going to be for me, and then pick up any one tile or a paper, of course by closing your eyes, and whatever tile or number comes to you, that's your pile. All right, so let's get started, guys. Whatever you're seeing in this on this altar is available with my sales team. You can WhatsApp them, number given below, and let's see. Okay, so we'll start with a quick prayer. I hope you saw the angel wings that got formed in the gold candle. If not, do check it out. It's on my Instagram. Alright, so let's pray. Dear God, Goddess, Archangels, please bless all the ones who are watching this video with abundance, joy, good health, love, happiness. And now time to cleanse. Dear God, Goddess, Archangels, please cleanse the energies of everyone who is watching this video, this space, and me. This a better thank you. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Alright, so let's get started. Hello Group 1, how are you guys doing? This is Sheetal Sapan Matre. Welcome to my channel. Thank you for being an SSMian and coming back to this channel. If you are a new subscriber, thank you so much and welcome to the family. So you have selected this beautiful rose quartz crystal, which means that love is going to be a focus, especially self-love. You're going to take measures during the week to ensure that you stand up for yourself. You're going to spend some me time. You're going to rest and rejuvenate too. So now let's see how the entire week is going to be for you. We'll first see financially how things are going to be. Alright. Let me just shuffle. It looks like somebody is jealous of your financial growth, and they have been like talking about it. I'm hearing the word redevelopment or a renovation. So maybe some of you are doing that or wanting that to happen. Please note this is a general reading, so take what resonates and leave what does not. you really need to nourish your soul. All right, you have been doing things for everybody around you, but you've not been really, nourishing yourself, nurturing yourself. Just because other people say things to you, you start believing that, okay, I am that. No, it's just that the person is talking from their own perception, okay, or how they want you to behave. Or maybe they just want you to fit in a box which they have made for you. So it's completely your will to not be in that box. Okay? Let's see your tarot cards. And of course, love life too. Okay. We'll see beginning of the week. That is Monday, Tuesday. Mid of the week. And end of the week. Alright? Okay. So I will keep your cards over here. And let's start. Okay. Queen of Cups. So in the beginning of the week, some of you may visit a psychic, or you may spend some quality time with your mother. You are also, mother healing issues are going to be of importance in the beginning of the week. Your intuition and creativity is going to be extremely high, so ensure that you are tapping into both. Also, it's important that you don't let your emotions overpower you. Take it easy. If you're feeling a bit overwhelmed, take a break, just be with yourself, and the moment you feel a little bit better, you can interact with others or talk to someone whom you can trust. All right. Okay, let's see your next card. Two of Pentacles. Okay. So Wednesday, Thursday is going to be super busy. You are going to multitask. You're going to manage everything beautifully. You are going to be very, very busy managing more than 2 to 3 things together. And even if you are going to be busy, you are going to do a great job at it. All right. Okay, lovely. Wow, the weekend looks like fun. This weekend, the coming weekend, you are going to enjoy. Some of you may travel or make travel plans. Also, you will spend some time in the nature. Creativity is going to be all-time high. There is going to be some sort of new beginnings. Ensure that you do not take whatever risk you take, let it be thought through and just not at the go. All right. But your weekend looks very good. You're going to have a lot of fun and happiness. Some of you may even go for trekking, or some of you may just play a lot of games. You will spend time with maybe friends as well. Okay, let's see your love life. Regret. Okay, so if you are single, somebody will either apologize to you, or they will realize the wrong that they have done to you. They may or may not confess that to you, but yes, there will be a realization that whatever they did to you was not right, and they should have not treated you in that manner, and they should have valued you. If you are committed or or married, your partner may feel that they should treat you better, or they may feel bad about something that they said to you or did to you. All right, so that's the love life. Let's see forgiveness. So it's during the week, ensure that you forgive yourself and others. If you, interestingly, you did get this card when someone feels remorse for the way they treated you. If they come and apologize to you, forgive them. It does not mean that you have to hang out with them. You can just be like, okay, I forgive you, but move on. All right, so forgiveness is going to be very important. Also, I feel forgiveness with regards to mother figure is also going to be important. Okay, let me keep your card over here. All right, let me see your next card. Blessing coming your way. Oh my god, this card comes so often. The blessing coming your way is that you can change your story. Alright, this week, whatever you are going to think is going to get manifested. Whatever energy you are going to vibe in, that's going to be coming in your life. So ensure that you are having good vibes only. Alright, and because the universe is going to capture everything and then present the same thing to you. Okay, that's your next card. What you need to surrender in order to have a great week ahead. Surrender stubbornness. So here again with the forgiveness card, it is also applicable to you. If you need to seek forgiveness, do seek forgiveness. All right, do not be rigid, be flexible. This will also help you be more approachable. All right, and communicate with yourself and others in a more loving manner. Okay, so don't be stubborn in the coming week, be more flexible. Let's see how you nurture yourself. Health checkup. So some of you have been delaying a health checkup, so you please get it done this week. That's very important. You may either get a health checkup done for yourself, or maybe you'll accompany a relative or a friend. All right, but ensure that you are not delaying it. Okay, that's your next card. Jesus the divine healer. So definitely you have been praying for good health and the divine is listening to your prayers. It could be for yourself or for a family. However, you need to take action by meeting the right doctor, by taking proper medicines, whatever has been prescribed to you. Let's see your career. Light and love. So your career, okay, no matter what career you are in, you have a corporate career, business, or you are a homemaker, your purpose is to bring love and light to people around you. So your life purpose is basically to spread radiance, bring in illumination in your and everybody else's life, and you are doing a great job at it. All right, so keep spreading light and love. Okay, let me keep a card over here. Now let's see what changes are going to come in this week. Courage. So yes, you are going to feel lot of inner strength and external strength as well. You are going to feel confident to take those steps ahead, to stand up for yourself. And as I said in the beginning of the reading, while doing a psychic reading for you, while shuffling the cards, that yes, you are going to be assertive in the week ahead. Let's see your finances. Block out distraction. So over here, this card is telling you that you need to manage your finances. Okay, you need to sort them out. It's very, very important that you do that. All right, and whatever is distracting you from managing your finances, you need to kind of keep that out of your life. Okay, and just focus on your finances. All right. Okay, group 1, this was your card reading. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit the like button, and if you want to share with your friends and family, go ahead, share with them. It might be of some help to them. Also, if you feel this content is something that you enjoy watching, do subscribe to my channel. I would be more than happy to see you and you being a part of the SSMN family. Take care. Bye bye. Group 1, I forgot to do Wheel of Fortune for you. So think about the question and I will spin the wheel for you. Okay. Alright, so whatever you asked for is going to happen soon in your life. Congratulations, Group 1. Take care. Bye-bye. Hello Group 2, how are you guys doing? I hope you're fine and rocking as always. Today we are going to see how your week is going to be like, your health, your finances, your love life, the blessings coming your way, the changes coming your way, and all of that in detail. We'll also see your Wheel of Fortune. So I've chosen this beautiful black tourmaline wall hanging. That means protection is going to be of importance in the coming week. You may be feeling insecure, you may be feeling unsafe. Do not worry, you are safe and protected. In fact, whatever negativity anyone is sending towards you, it's going to boomerang, alright? Just hope that it goes to divine light instead of them, because it's always better to pray for everybody's well-being, whether they are friends, foe, enemy, or they're neutral to us. Alright, so all the items that you're seeing on the altar are available with my sales team. You can contact them, number given below. So let's start with your cards. Do not miss the shuffling, because I do psychic reading while shuffling the cards. Okay, so you're going to see first the beginning of the week, the mid of the week, and the end of the week. Group 2's beginning of the week, Group 2's mid of the week, that is Wednesday, Thursday, and end of the week. Alright, let's see love card. I feel there is going to be some sort of friendship getting revived. It could be with an old friend or a new friend. I'm also hearing the word do not worry. We are here to take care of you. The angelic realm is with you. You believe in angels, okay? You have this belief in divine power and divine grace. But you need to be a little bit flexible. You tend to be a bit stubborn at times, not always. I'm also hearing declutter. Some of you have got this organizers to arrange everything. But organizer stuff, all right, like boxes and all, but you're still not organized stuff is what I'm hearing. Please note it's a general reading, so take what resonates and leave what does not. Change is coming your way. You need to focus on your hydration levels, guys. Don't overdrink water, don't be dehydrated as well. Okay, now let's see what your cards are telling. Let me keep them over here. Alright, let's start with the beginning of the week. Temperance, wow. So in the coming week, that is in the beginning of the week, you are going to manage things really beautifully. Alright, you will be at peace, you will be at calm, even if there are chaos around you. Alright, you will have a very calm response towards it. You may find yourself being a mediator, that is solving disputes between two parties. You may also find yourself talking to people who are not on the same page. Alright, yes, lot of you're going to tap into your conscious and subconscious mind. So it may so happen that you may read books which are self-help or watch video content which is based on self-help. Okay, the mid of the week is the Justice card. All right, so you are going to reap what you sowed. All right, also paperwork is going to be of importance. You will find yourself dealing with authorities, could be the government authorities, or you may find yourself doing a lot of paperwork as well. Alright, so a lot of legalities, formalities in the mid of the week. Wow, you got the Judgment card, Justice and Judgment. So if anything wrong was done to you, you are going to be compensated. Alright, as I said, this is a general reading, so take what resonates, leave what does not. During the end of the week, that is Saturday, Sunday, you may communication is going to be of utmost importance. Ensure that you're clearly communicating. You will spend your time doing prayers, rituals, or maybe attending some spiritual courses. Also, you will find yourself forgiving people. Some of you may do some sort of ancestral offerings as well, or you may think about someone who has passed over and may offer something to them. Alright, let's see your finances. Unlimited ideas. So, there are a lot of unlimited ideas that the divine is giving you, which can lead to abundance. So, ensure that you are not writing it off, saying that I don't think so, it will work, or it requires too much of work. Ensure that you work towards it. Okay, that you just don't give it up. Alright, let's see your next card. Change is coming your way. Forgiveness. I just love when this happens. So I did tell you that forgiveness is going to be important at the end of the week, and especially at the end of the week. So yes, you have to forgive people if they seek your forgiveness, or at least for your own sake you need to forgive. Forgiveness means being neutral to people. Okay, you don't have to be talking to them. You don't have to even expect apology out of them. It just means that you have moved on. Okay, you're not giving any energy to them. You're not fighting in your head with them. All right, let's see your career. Yoga. Okay, which means that there is going to be a lot of inner work that you need to do with regards to your career or life purpose. Whether you're a homemaker, whether you're a corporate career, into corporate career, or whether you're a business person. Alright, it's very important that you focus on alignment. Alright, because once you're aligned, you will be able to go ahead with regards to your career, life purpose, or whatever you are doing currently. Alright, so please ensure that you meditate as well. You focus on going within. Okay, let's see your next card. Health. Oh my god, it is fantastic when there is so much of sync. So your health will improve if you relax, if you take it easy, if you also have proper naps, rest, rejuvenation, and also if you meditate. It's very important to calm yourself. Alright, that will definitely improve your emotional and physical health. But definitely see a doctor whenever you need to. Okay, let's see how you need to nurture yourself. Flow like water, which means just go with the flow. At times we want a certain thing in a particular time, or we want things to go in a particular way, and however life has got better plans, or plans which are good for us. So it is important that we go with the flow and accept that divine has only good things for you, and listen to the inner voice that is there in you, and just go with the flow rather than trying to control everything and everyone. Okay, alright, let's see your next card. Surrender your addictions. So whatever you're addicted to, chocolates, unhealthy food, sex, overworking, whatever your addiction, mobile phones, whatever your addiction is, you need to kind of let it go and distract yourself by doing something which is going to nourish you, nourish your mind, body, and soul. Okay, so surrendering addictions is important. Maybe that's why the angels want you to focus on yoga, meditation as well. And also, when you are giving into your addictions, your mind is not clear. And if your mind is not clear, then how will you get the unlimited ideas that the divine has in mind for you? Alright, let's see the blessing coming your way. Take a chance on them. Alright, so the blessing coming your way is that you will take some sort of different road, a new direction. It could be in relationships, it could be in your personal life, professional life, whatever it is. You, as I said, you're going to meet someone, could be a friend, who is going to be different, or you may feel a little bit reluctant to befriend someone, but you may take a chance and you may strike friendship with them. All right, now let's see what the other card is telling us. The situation will improve. So whatever situation you are going to be in the coming week, there is going to be improvement. You're going to move towards better times. The things, even if you feel that, oh my god, this is not going how I want it, it will become better. Okay, so do not worry on that regards. All right, let's see your love life. Okay, strictly sexual. So here, if you're single, and if you are looking for a connection, then it may so happen that you may meet someone who is not really wanting the same. Or if you are looking for something purely physical, then ensure that you're clear about it, so that the other person understands what is it that you are looking for. All right, if you are married or in a relationship, you're going to be more passionate towards your partner. You're going to really have good physical intimate moments with each other. Group 2, let's see what your Wheel of Fortune is going to tell us. So think about a question and I will spin the wheel for you. Okay, you got jackpot. So whatever you asked for, there is going to be a jackpot regarding that question. Lovely, lovely. Alright, so this is the reading for you, Group 2. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, do hit the like button, do subscribe to my channel if you are guided, and do drop in a comment if there is any reading in your mind which you want me to do. Also go through my pick a card playlist, in which I have done some special readings, and I hope you not missed the yes and no reading that I did last week. Take care. Bye bye. Hello Group 3, how are you guys doing? I hope you're fine and rocking as always. We are going to see how the coming week is going to be for you in detail. Changes coming your way, blessings coming your way, your life purpose, what you need to surrender, love life, health, money, finances, etc. So I've chosen this beautiful orange candle, which means a lot of positive changes happening in your life in the coming week. Your luck is going to improve. All right, most of the things that you're seeing on this altar are available with my sales team. You can WhatsApp them, number given below. Okay, so let's start with your cards. We'll start with what is going to change in the coming week. Do not miss the psychic reading that I do while shuffling the cards. You have been praying for a particular amount of money that will come. For some of you, it's going to be a little less than what you have been praying for, but it will come. Be open to accept it. Do not be like, I want it in this particular form, from this particular person only. How you need to nurture yourself. Your finances. Sorry, what you need to surrender. Please, I'm getting a message that you need to follow the right path. Okay, it's very important that you do not get distracted from doing what is right. Blessing coming your way. Also, there's some sort of resentment that you have towards someone. Forgive and move on. Okay. Beginning of the week, mid of the week, end of the week. Pay attention to what you are speaking is also something that I'm getting from your cards. Not from your cards, from the psychic reading, I'm sorry. The energy of your cards. Now let's see. Let's see the beginning of the week, Monday, Tuesday. Temperance, wow. So you are going to tap into your inner power, okay, inner consciousness. You are going to go within. There is going to be angelic assistance provided to you. Your thoughts are going to manifest faster, so ensure that you are in in a positive frame of mind. And if you're not, what you can do is you can just focus on doing certain law of attraction tools that can shift your focus, or just be neutral, okay. You are going to, there's going to be some sort of resolution to a conflict. There is going to be harmony somewhere. There is a midway which needs to be chosen by you and the opposite party, but definitely you will find yourself resolving issues. All right, let's see the middle of the week. 9 of Wands. All right, okay. You may feel defensive. You may feel as if a trauma that you had undergone may repeat itself. There will be a sense of insecurity in the middle of the week. However, understand and remember that even if you were in a problem, you did come out of it, right? So there is a solution for every problem, and if you pray to the divine and if you take the right action, you will be able to achieve it, okay. Wow, the end of the week is going to be very luxurious. You will be appreciated, you will be acknowledged. You will also get some sort of money coming your way or gifts coming your way. Please note, this are general reading, so take what resonates and leave what does not. There is going to be shopping also done by you, all right, but definitely lot of abundance coming your way, all right. Okay, now let's see your love life. Marriage. So if you're single, you may meet someone with whom you would want to take things forward, or a very strong prospect you're going to meet in the coming week. If you're already married or in a relationship, you will find that your marriage or your relationship is becoming more stronger. All right, so some quality time with your partner. Take action. So the angels are advising you to take action to achieve your dreams and just not kind of wait for it to happen on its own. All right, so whatever you are being procrastinating, you need to kind of start working towards it. The blessing coming your way, you are going to slay them all, girl. Or if you are a male watching this, you're going to slay them. All right, you are going to be so strong and so determined to not get do not let them take you for granted. All right, so definitely going to slay them, slay your opposition. All right, so even that's the beauty of of divine. See, the mid of the week showed us 9 of Wands, which means feeling insecure, but the blessing coming your way is that you will have the strength to overcome all the fears that you had. All right, what you need to surrender outdated beliefs about yourself. All right, so stop thinking that you can or cannot do something. All right, as you see, this is the 9 of Wands energy, which this card wants you to surrender. Okay, you are enough, you have it in you, and you are, you have the ability to slay, okay, whatever negative comes your way. Okay, let's see your next card. How you need to nurture yourself. Soak in a bath. Okay, so just relax yourself, take a good shower, If you want, you can also put some rock salt in your bath if you're not allergic to it, and just relax. Okay, just relax, and just kind of take it easy. Some of you will be going to a spa or getting some massage done to rejuvenate yourself as well, is what I'm getting. Some of you may even buy candles, or you may light some candles in your home. Regarding your health, there is going to be some sort of divine intervention. It's very important that you pay attention to your health, all right, and speak to the right person, speak to the right expert who can help you to handle the health issue that you're facing currently, okay? But do go to the doctor. Let's see your career/life purpose. Let go. So whether you're a homemaker or you are a business person or a corporate career, it's very important that you will have to walk away from a particular situation which could be challenging for it to get resolved. All right, at times it's better to swim away from something which is bothering you by not actively addressing it, but by indirectly addressing it. Okay, so it's very important that you kind of just let it be. All right, your finances, no more complaining. Be in the energy of gratitude and stop cribbing or complaining, because it is said that whatever you have, whatever you take for granted, is something which somebody else is praying for, wishing to have. All right, so stop complaining. Don't be like this is not working out, that is not working out. That will really, if you are in the mode of gratitude, your finances are going to be influenced in a positive manner. Let's see your next card. Get some rest. All right, so here your cards are telling you that you really need to take it easy. That is why you got the soak in the bath and get some rest as well. Relax so that you can rejuvenate. We feel guilty when we rest, but we need to understand that our body needs to rest in order for us to function properly. If we rest, then definitely our energy gets cleansed. So much of healing happens while we sleep. So ensure that you are getting proper rest and just not running around here helter and skelter doing and fulfilling everybody's wishes. All right, before I end, let me do the wheel of fortune. So think about a question, group 3, and let me spin the wheel for you. Wow, even you got the jackpot. So whatever you asked for, the answer is jackpot. That's going to happen during this coming week. So group 3, this was your reading. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. If you did, do write in the comment section. Also, if there's any reading that you want me to do, you can write in the comment section. But if it is regarding love, pregnancy, or a message from a particular deity, most of it I have done it. So you can watch my pick a card playlist, or about your child's future, even that reading I have done. Whether your child is unborn or born, you can watch that video all about your child's future. Just click on the pick a card playlist. There's so many pick a card reading that I've done. You can watch it during the weekend and enjoy. All right guys, take care. Bye bye.